Hi, today I'm sharing 3 crucial tips on how to maximize your opportunities from mentorship program. Number 1, be specific about the problem. The more specific you are about the problem, the faster you can resolve it. And even if you are not sure about your problems, at least use the first couple of sessions just to carve out a well-defined problem statement. Number 2, be open. And this is very important for anything to work. Most of us are into a fixed mindset, and that becomes the biggest barrier. The more open you are in order to bring a change in your life, the more benefit you can get out of the sessions. Number 3, schedule minimum 4 sessions. One session is not enough to make any impact. Knowing and getting comfortable can take up to 1 or 2 sessions. So give some time to yourself and to the mentor to get to start working on the problems. We have about 25 distinguished mentors on Peapod's Academy. So don't hesitate to reach out and start talking.